Then we go to the final preparation. Okay. Final preparation, like I told you, final preparation, we do these upload programs and authorization matrix and all. In authorization matrix, I will show you one template. In authorization matrix, we have to decide to whom we have to give the authorization of respect to transaction codes. For example, we have inbound receiver planner. Okay, inbound planner. For example, inbound planner and receiver. Okay, outbound planner and picker. Okay, I'm just giving these 4 roles generally. Create multiple TO inbound planner. He can have access. Okay, so he can have access for this. And okay, let's have some create transfer. Create with transfer requirement. Who will create a transfer? Inbound planner can create it. Receiver doesn't require TO creation. Okay, and outbound planner, yes, outbound planner also can create a transfer order with respect to any material document or delivery. Okay, so that he needs that. And create, yeah, planners all requires the creations. And confirmations, mostly if the business says that we don't want confirmation access to the planner, because the confirmation should be done by the maybe the create a transfer order or LM03, for example. Okay, we have confirmed transfer order, right? Wait, let's see the LM transactions slash n SC93 LM star. We have put away by TO LM03, confirm by TO, put away by TO LM03, put away by SU LM02. These are receiving. And same thing, picking by delivery. Okay, let's hold for here because the idea is to give an idea, but field series, no 1.6, 0.7, 1.8, 1.9, whatever numbering, we can follow anything. Picking by TO, picking by TO, what is the transaction? LM05, LM05 2.0, picking by delivery. Okay, let's hold for this. LM06, I think, picking by delivery. LM06, LM06. Okay, let's have how we can give the authorization based on discussions. Okay, create TO with TR. Okay, only planners needed, and the receivers they never require. The receiver, who is picker? Let me give an example. The person who sits in office plan the creation of transfer order, recognition, inbound delivery, okay, and print the put away list. All these activities will be done by the inbound planner who sits in office. And the receiver, the person who is taking the RF device and standing or spend time at the warehouse. So he will scan that materials, or he will scan the pallet ID, and he will generate, and he will stick it, and he will confirm. He is the receiver. Outbound planner, the person who sits in office and checking all outbound deliveries and generate the pick list. Okay, generate the transfer orders from the outbound delivery and print that and give the print form to the picker. The picker will take that pick list form and he goes to the loading area where that truck they have to load, right? So before that loading, you just go to the pick list form and it will tell that take 10 pieces from the bin 1, take 5 pieces from the bin 6. So he will go there and he take the material and he scan and he will confirm. So the picker, the person who scans there and do that picking. Okay, so now if you see TO creation, all need for inbound planner and outbound planner. These people don't need it, they don't come to the desktop mostly. Confirm transfer order, yes, we can give to these people also. These people definitely they need. Desktop transaction, let's officer can have in any emergencies things and all, they can confirm. Only maybe some special supervisor they can have it, or else let's avoid this. I will give you an example. Name for, maybe you can give some supervisor who needs access for all. Okay, generally LT12 we will give to that because it's a confirmation. I am keeping the stock in that, that's the confirmation. So we will have a supervisor, let's have access to all with that understanding. And the picker doesn't need desktop, no on desktop. Okay, now LM03 put away by TO. This one should be put away by TO, receiver needs, put away by SU, receiver needs. Picking by TO, picker needs, this one. This is the how we prepare the authorization matrix based on the discussions with the business. The picking transaction should be available for the picker, picking confirmation transactions, and the TO creation need for the outbound planner, and receiving confirmation required for receiver, the who is spending the time in the warehouse with by holding the RF device. The inbound planner, the person who sits in office, only creates the transfer orders and check how many inbound deliveries we are receiving today, how many trucks we are receiving today, and how many operators are at the warehouse. Any planning changes, those things he can take it. And the supervisor who will have monitoring all inbound, outbound, all the activities, those ID will have more powerful with all the accesses. This is how we can plan it. I gave some examples of around 10 transaction codes and how we can plan your authorization matrix based on discussions with the business. So in this final preparation, we need to prepare these authorizations, and already users are getting trained, and the core users are trained. The core users will give the training to the end users. And the upload programs, I told you like what are the activities in the final preparation. Testing of upload programs, use it for data migration, end user training by core team members, they will give the training. Collecting master data and cutover data from the business. Cutover data for WM will be, I will give you that, what is the cutover data for WM. And migrating of the master data and cutover data to SAP production system from non-legacy systems. And creation of user IDs for end users, and providing authorization to the users, templates of data migration. Okay, these all activities will happen in the final preparation. So end user training and uploading all the programs, checking in the quality, all the stuff will happen. And the cutover data wise, MM cutover, we know the MM cutover, open POs, okay, and open work orders, open stock and all. FI cutover, we have some payments related, and SD cutover, some sales order. This is how today's our topic, WM cutover. WM cutover will have only open stock, okay.